Voilà. So sin mis agus mórtaí. Héis céile mar an mórtaí go húnta nó an council mas bregan siad líine chun óráinine chuma, nó chun portana chuma, nó chun éireachtaí agus sin an fád bhfuil siad an. Lucht agurtha an Aonach Ceoil mór níl go mór. Job go fása sé henacha. Job gan buchas, le gagrúr na líseo agus tá sé an áchtach agus tá sé go húnta bhfuil daoine sásta an íireachtaí agus an obair iste agus an bhechar fada sa daoine sin. Tuigim go raibh is cuineam san Aonach Ceoil uigeann sa seachtóirí bhíoh sé siúil am sinna cincí sé agus chuid sé lár agus tíopa ceir bliana á hin aní na daoine se le chéile agus íon ra bheochan agus sunta chuna. So, tá míad an bhechtas na daoine sin agus fógrím Aonach Ceoil ní féidir mé agad oscailte a páda go sé aanamh sin fógrím seolta é tá sé mór a bhar gine sin éí go geal leis an ócáid agus tá féinna súil mórlis. Ruí amach. But I'm going to quite a bit here on the really kind of this number on long afternoon on Kiana. Take your nation and mother. But I should come on where on is such a just I sing of a dog they called Bob in this mournful rhyme. With a surgical blade he was spayed while still in his prime. He was properly vexed when his sexual ambitions were foiled. He's deprived of romance and his chances of passion are spoiled. In his youth he had sport and he courted with vigour and joy. His fine apparatus had status that reached to the sky. The grandest young bitches were itching to have him for life, but they've all disappeared since his spheres were removed by the knife. He'd put up with those slurs and those curs who came looking for fight. One growl at those whelps and they'd yelp and directly take flight. But since losing his cluster, he's flustered and shaken with fear. With his courage gone limp, he's a wimp without conjugal gear. His technique was so suave with palaver and personal charm. His foreplay ensured they were lured to fall into his arms. But since losing his tackle, he's rattled, upset and dismayed. With no tunes in his flute, the poor brute can no longer get laid. And the man came the way yesterday with his bitch to get poked. He heard that our hound was renowned for the strength of his yoke. I said, sorry you're late and your favourite misfortune is crowned. Since our Bobby got neutered, his shooter won't fire any rounds. Of the day he was gelded, I'll tell, though your nerves will be shot. He was lying on a slab when a jab of a needle he got. There were vets and attendants resplendent in surgical robes. Then with one rapid snip out they put his connubial globes. And how can a mutt without nuts have a future that's great? Without utensils nuptial no pup shall he e'er procreate. Since losing his fittings he's quitting romantic affairs. For the skill to seduce is no use when there's nothing downstairs. So the days when this codger could roger all round him have ceased. He won't couple again with the shin of our old parish priest. He's trying medical potions and lotions that seep through his pores. His appliance to refuel for his jewels he expects to restore.
The Lord's Christian Hager again, August, Nari, Shadow, the Aonach Ceoil says clowness, either on the cultura, August Willen, August Rocknon Valley, August Taskburger over Progeton, at Martian Fane is Brading, Galere, and when Dr. Christian on a Hannibas, no God, and Penny, Fish, and Aberdeen. August, oh, he had already today, having Burr, Ali in the bed of the Locknon, the Haja, August Gallery. Costa Gardafish, Agus Corla Alina, Agus Lochno and Vallefimmer Dota King. So, Niger Sihila Ach, Gamay Kyoliging, Tommy Dunbert na Kyotori, Connell, Agus Geraldine, Agus Colum, Agus Richard, Agus Henry, Agus Garroyd, as I live in our down to the Young Nomatin, Agus that's what I'm making here. Agus going to meet him, I'll go to a subject.